Here's how to cancel your Shopify subscription. So to do this, just open up Shopify and click settings in the bottom left. Now from here you want to go to billing by clicking on billing right there. And now here you can see your subscriptions. So I have this one right here and you want to click on view all subscriptions. And now here you will see your Shopify subscription. So over at your right, click manage and that will take you right here. Now from here you want to click on deactivate store. And then it's important to do this first, so cancel any unwanted subscriptions. Third-party apps may continue to charge you after cancellation. So if you want to do that, just go back to billing, and then here you can see all of your subscriptions, and you can also see your paid app subscriptions and cancel those from here as well. So after doing that, go back to the Shopify subscription, click deactivate, save any needed store information by exporting CSV files, and look into steps to take before deactivating your store. But you can just click continue and then confirm that you want to deactivate your trial or subscription, and then you will have successfully cancelled your subscription and you won't be billed anymore. So now you know how to cancel your Shopify subscription. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.